Hey, what's up everyone, this is Invest for More and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about a new project where I put my money in, and also as you already know, on my YouTube channel I'm talking about the project where I put my money in. Okay, I don't like to talk about the project I don't like, or a project that I don't put my money in, you know, I didn't invest in it. Okay, so I don't like to make videos just for entertainment purposes, like, you know, other YouTubers, to show projects like you know, every day, every 2 hours to show projects, and you know, just make content for views. Okay, I like to make videos based on my information, based on my investments. Okay, and yes, today's video I'm gonna talk about the DPR network. Maybe some of you guys know, some of you guys don't know. DPR network, it's creating a private, secure and freedom focused decentralized internet, guys. Internet is huge. Bitcoin, the main purposes was to implement a new payment method, you know, to revolutionize the payment method on the actual you know, life. But now DPR network, they wanna go decentralized on the internet, not only on the payments like Bitcoin, okay, and Ethereum and other decentralized blockchains. Okay, the DPR network is trying to do decentralized internet, and let's jump into the video, guys. It's very important video, and let's see what it's about. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and watch until the end. It's very important to watch until the end, even if you don't like or you like the video. Okay, just watch until the end and leave a comment. What do you think about this project? So now let's see the video.
This is you on the internet, profiled for your every move and stalked like a gazelle.
I'm always listening.
We wouldn't tolerate this in the real world, yet it constantly happens to all of us online. The internet has become dominated by restrictive ISPs and big tech overlords with unsettling hairstyles that oversee our every move. And our governments, which are meant to protect our rights and security online, are sometimes the biggest victims of all. With the DPR network, we're changing the paradigm, creating a truly private, secure, and freedom-focused decentralized internet. But what does that really mean? It means you get to see clearly what goes on in your network and browsing experience. You get real control over who does or doesn't see your IP address, your personal data, and your first and third-party cookies. And it means a network that can scale to hundreds of thousands of transactions per second with ultra-low energy consumption that allows everyone to be part of the revolution. It means a global peer-to-peer network experience that can't be geo-restricted or compromised by a single server failure or government regulator. Unlike many blockchain projects, we've already proven our concept, creating the world's first blockchain-based internet security hardware with DPR Connect. With over 2,000 backers and 5,000 plus nodes around the world, we've created an online security device that replaces VPN subscriptions, blocks trackers, and serves as a firewall to protect all your internet-connected devices. And that's just the beginning. With your help, DPR Network can and will build a more private, secure, and fair internet. Let's take back what is rightfully ours. Learn more at dpr.network and join the discussion with thousands of like-minded individuals.
As you saw, guys, we are in the beginning of creating a new internet. DPR network is the decentralized gateway and is creating infrastructure for Web 3.0 internet. DPR network combines blockchain, network security, and sharing economy to create a global peer-to-peer network to empower the real users of the internet and paves the way for the next generation of the web. So now, guys, you don't even need a VPN. You don't have to pay a subscription for whatever you guys buy a VPN. You just need to buy a product, a physical product like this, like mini, nano or pico DPR network. All you have to do is to buy one of their product and plug into the internet cable, and from the internet cable to your wireless, and from there everything is decentralized. They are doing everything for you, and also you have some settings if you want to set up some cool stuff, but I'm gonna talk about it in another video. Guys, again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel because it's very important to be up to date with my projects, you know, with new projects that are on the pipeline. And also I want to create a Telegram group where you can be a part of my community. But let me know in the comments if you want me to create a community on Telegram. Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys. See you in another video. Bye.